we're launching the UrbanArt and Kwesta sort of collaboration thing, and how that came about. I mean, they were looking for someone to sort of work with in the space of urban artists. They kind of searched for an urban artist that would best represent what they were about, and they're really just about authenticity and being South African and being fearless and being South African, and I guess they identified me. So as soon as they told me the reasoning of why they wanted to work with me, that's when I also just decided that I want to be a part of this, because it represents, that's pretty much what all my songs are about. This is what this shoe is going to be about.
It's too difficult. I was just trying to prove that it's not doing an easy job. Okay.
When I buy a sneaker, what do I look for? First, I gotta love it, born, milling shy. But that's not why I buy it. That's just what would attract me to it. And then I gotta wear it, for me to be able to buy it. I gotta fit it. It's gotta be comfortable, because if it's not, it'll just look good on my feet, but I'll be walking like a duck, and I don't want that. It's very important because it's very important for people for musicians to expand outside of music, because no one can ever tell how long people are going to stay listening, and how long people are going to stay supporting. Things change, the world changes. They might just decide not that they don't like you anymore, but they like something else now. So that directly affects you in your life and your family and everything like that. So it's very important to expand so that there's a certain longevity and a sustainability of just your whole brand, where you can continue feeding your family and just being alive outside of being cool. So it's very important. If you don't, it's actually very vital. It's the only thing, because it's like sports, like getting an injury in sports, and you've made all this money, but all of it, was being spent on things that won't keep creating wealth for you and your whole family moving forward. So we just got to try find those opportunities so that we don't become the people that were cool in 2018, and by 2028 we're nowhere to be found, and we're in the streets, and we're poor.
Do you have anything to say to your fans?
I love you.